Just going straight.
Yes. You know where it is, you know. It's just right next to the public library. I love your tattoo.
Oh,
It's
sometimes I forget that it's even there.
and then because tattoo is really painful to do it.
Oh, I loved it.
You love that pain?
Yeah, I was like, oh yeah. This shading part is like very
So
therapeutic.
do they tie you when they do tattoo? What if you move them?
They hold you down pretty like, because they have to like when they're tattooing they gotta like spread your skin.
I mean,
and
what if
hold
you
it down.
what if you're shaking your arms and
They kind of have to pull your skin apart in order, so they have a lot of pressure down on you, so you don't really move.
okay.
I'm sure there's probably been people. Huh.
Why? It's fire station. You can just go.
No, you can't. Do you see everyone else behind us? Everyone's pulled over on the side of the road.
Really?
Yeah.
Even the fire station is that side?
They need to be able to get through traffic quickly.
Okay.
Otherwise, you will get pulled over and get